Greetings from Bill O'Leary. And in this video, I'm going to answer the question, my lawyer has retired or died. What happens to my estate planning documents now? So in this video, you're going to learn three things. One, what does happen to your estate plan when your estate planning lawyer retires or dies? Two, how you go about getting a new attorney. And three, things that you can do now to prepare for when your estate planning attorney does retire or die. Quick introduction, Bill O'Leary. I'm an attorney with Legacy Planning Law Group here in Jacksonville, Northeast Florida, and we focus on estate planning, elder law, and probate and trust administration. An estate planning attorney, as I know full well, can help you create a plan to protect your loved ones for when you die or become incapacitated. And inevitably, personal information is shared and a close relationship is established. What happens if your attorney, let's say, retires or dies? Look, estate planning attorneys, myself included, we, die like everybody else, sometimes unexpectedly. It's good to know what to do in that situation so you're not left hanging with unanswered questions. Maybe things like, oh my gosh, is my estate planning still valid? Where are the original documents located? Who's taking over my case? Those are all legitimate questions. And sometimes you can feel stranded, especially if the death is sudden. And let's say you didn't receive any advance notice. Losing your attorney's expertise and advice may cause you to wonder whether your estate plan is still effective. And in addition, you may lose important original documents like wills or living trust if your attorney kept the originals. You might feel lost and confused, maybe even disappointed. But it is not the time to panic. First and foremost, your estate plan is still valid. It's your plan, not your lawyer's. You can take that plan to any lawyer you want. An experienced estate planning attorney should be able to assist you with a will or a trust that was prepared by another attorney. And oh, by the way, in Florida, your attorney must identify another attorney to take possession of the estate planning files and notify clients in the event of an attorney's death. This is called an inventory attorney. And at that point, once being given notice and given the file, you can go to any attorney you want. And again, take that file with you. It's yours. You're not required to use the inventory attorney. So the bottom line is you're not going to be left in the lurch. Now, as to the question of where the originals are located, that depends on your lawyer. Some estate planning lawyers keep possession of the originals, and this may cause a substantial delay in locating the originals. Leaving your originals with your estate planning lawyer maybe wasn't a bad decision at that time, but it might be a decision you want to reconsider. I will tell you that from my standpoint and my firm's standpoint, we don't keep originals for this very reason. While we do keep copies in our files for sure, it is much better, in my view, for the client to keep the originals and store them in a safe place. So the next thing you have to do is to find a new attorney. So what can you do to prepare for the eventuality that your estate planning attorney will die? Well, here are three tips. One, maintain a relationship with your attorney. Without up-to-date contact information, the inventory attorney will not be able to contact you in the event that your attorney dies. And I will tell you, here at my firm, Legacy Planning Law Group, we very much are structured and premised on the relationship model. We very much believe in ongoing relationships. The second thing you can do, know the location of the original documents. Where are they? Your original notarized estate planning documents are very important and very difficult to replace. Allowing your attorney to hold them is fine, but so I think is better keeping them yourself, either in a safe deposit box or better yet, if you have a secure safe at home. Whatever you do, you should know where they are and tell your loved ones where they're located to avoid any confusion or delays. And then the third thing you can do is to review your estate plan periodically. This is especially important after big changes in your life. Not only will periodic reviews ensure that your estate plan stays up to date, but also it will sort of develop and deepen a relationship with your estate planning attorney, which will make the transition easier if they later retire or die. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about what happens to your estate planning documents when your attorney retires or dies, and maybe how we can help, we'd love to talk to you. We would invite you to schedule a free 15-minute discovery phone call. Just go to the bottom of this video and schedule a call on the scheduling link that's there. Also, we would invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Legacy Planning Law Group. We are putting up more and more videos every month. And by the way, if you've enjoyed this, we ask that you would like this video. So Bill O'Leary signing off for now. Go make it a great day in a better world.